Hey everyone, Teos here. If you've been following along, you know I've been personalizing and adding accessories to my new 2026 Subaru Trailseeker. I love this electric vehicle, but finding the right dashcam has been a real journey. I tried several popular dashcam models on this car already. You can check out those videos on the channel. But to be totally honest, none of them gave me that clean factory look. They all look like add-ons with messy wires sticking out on the windshield. That's why I decided to go with Mangoal's OEM-style dashcams. I installed one in my 21 Outback. You can check out that install video on the channel as well. And I also picked one up for the new Trailseeker. Now, this dashcam listed at Mangoal's website as a Solterra dashcam. Now, you might wonder why a Solterra dashcam works in a new 26 Trailseeker. Well, even though the Trailseeker is a new model, it shares the exact same rear view mirror setup and wiring as the 23 to 26 Solterra. That means this camera snaps right in for a seamless factory look. Recently, Mangoal reached out and sent me their newest updated version of this camera. Today, we're doing a quick unboxing and comparing both models side by side. Okay, so if you remember my unboxing video of my Outback and Trailseeker dash cams, here's the 1080p rear view camera high definition, and here's the cable. We have a little trim removal tool, a micro SD card designed for Mangoal dash cam, so it comes with the dash cam. And here's the Y cable. Simply, this allows you to connect your dash cam directly to your vehicle's wiring. So this harness is very critical. This way you don't have to run an extra wire from your fuse box, whatnot. Of course, the paperwork, and here's the GPS module. This is optional. You can install it or not, but I just want to let you know, if you install this, there's no way of deactivating the speed and things like that in the software. So if you don't install this, none of that shows. Personally, in my Outback, I installed it, but later on I unplugged it. In the Trailseeker, I think I'm going to pass on this one. And right here is the paperwork and a booklet. Highly recommend you guys to read this cover to cover before you do the install. It's very helpful. It's written in very clear English, so easy to understand. And here's that OEM module. Remove the original module in your vehicle and install this. And dashcam is right up here. This is the 4K dashcam. This particular dashcam comes with the STARVIS 1 sensor. And the new one, we're gonna go ahead and check it out. That's a little bit different. So let's go ahead and unbox the new version of that dashcam. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the plastic. It's going to be fairly similar, except the internals on this one is more advanced. Their packaging is excellent. Again, we get the paperwork, and here's the dash cam. And here's our Y cable, trim removal tool, 128 gigabyte Mangoal branded micro SD card. Here's the rear view camera with the cable. Here's the GPS module, and here's the booklet. So let's put these guys back in. Okay, on this side, I have the original Mangoal setup. This one gives you 4K in the front and 1080p in the rear, powered by the Sony STARVIS 1 sensor, and it costs $249, and it's a solid piece of gear. On the other side, we have the new upgraded version coming in $399. The big story here is under the hood. It upgrades both front and rear sensors to dual Sony STARVIS 2. That gives you massive improvements in dynamic range and low light night vision, taking your front 4K footage to a whole new level while bumping the rear camera to a super crisp 2K HDR. So on the 1080p version, you have this proprietary connection, goes into the main cable. 2K rear camera, instead of having a proprietary short cable here, you simply unplug this Type-C, do your installation. That's the only difference, other than this being 2K and this being 1080p. Looking at them side by side, both share the exact same custom housing. Either one will fit perfectly behind your mirror. It really comes down to your budget and how important overall video clarity, contrast, and low light performance are to you. Both are great options, but for my Trailseeker, I'm going with the new STARVIS 2 version. I'll be doing the full front and rear install in my next video. If you haven't joined the crew yet, consider subscribing so you don't miss that build. If you already own a Trailseeker or a Solterra, let me know in the comments. How do you like your camera setup? And do you have any tips for the rest of us? I'll place direct links for both these dash cams down in the description. You can use my Trailseeker coupon code on Mangoal's website to save some money. I'll also list them on my Trailseeker Amazon store. If you prefer ordering through Amazon at no extra cost to you, just keep in mind Mangoal discount code only works with the direct orders from Mangoal's website link I have in the description. If this unboxing was helpful, hit that like button and share it with the other Subaru Trailseeker or Solterra owners. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next Trailseeker video. Have an awesome day.